I haven't done this. I don't know. Oh, sorry, I know.
What do you remember about division of ledger? Ledgers are divided into how many parts?
4 parts.
4 parts. What are the 4 parts in which ledgers are divided?
Purchase ledger, sales ledger, nominal ledger, and
Cash books.
cash book.
Okay. What do you write in sales ledger?
Basically
Credit sales for the
the total credit sales for the month.
No. Which account comes in sales ledger?
That debtors account.
Okay. Personal account of all your customers.
All your customers.
Suppose if A is your customer, so A's account will come in which ledger?
A account.
Which ledger?
Oh, sales ledger.
If B is your customer, then B's account will come in which ledger?
Sales ledger.
sales ledger.
Trade receivables account will come in which ledger?
Sales ledger.
Trade receivables are your customers, right?
Yeah.
Trade receivables account will come in which ledger?
Sales ledger.
Sales ledger.
If S is your customer, his account will come in which ledger?
Sales ledger.
Sales ledger. If S is your supplier, then his account will come in which ledger?
Purchase ledger.
Purchase ledger. So ledgers are basically divided into sales ledger, purchase ledger, nominal ledger, and cash book. What are the 4 parts of ledgers? Can you tell me again?
Sales ledger, purchase ledger, nominal ledger, and cash book.
Okay, what are the 4 parts of ledger? Can you tell me again?
Sales ledger, purchase ledger,
Sales
nominal
ledger,
ledger.
purchase ledger, nominal ledger, and cash book. What comes in the sales ledger?
The account of your
Personal account of your customers.
personal account. Yeah, personal account.
What comes in purchase ledger?
Personal account of
Personal account of creditors.
Suppliers. What comes in nominal ledger? Everything else.
everything else.
When I talk about everything else, that means your assets, liabilities, expenses, income, gains, all those accounts will come in the nominal ledger except for cash and bank. Cash and bank account will come in which book?
Cash book.
Cash book.
Okay, what is the advantages of dividing your books into ledgers?
It becomes easy to locate errors.
It becomes easy to locate errors. It becomes easy to divide work among people. It facilitates division of ledger or labor. Okay. What is the advantage of dividing your ledgers?
It becomes easy to locate errors. It becomes easy to refer into a particular account, and it facilitates division of labor
You
in
can
the
divide the
maintaining.
work among different people. So come on again, tell me, how many ledgers do you have?
4.
What are the 4 ledgers?
Sales ledger, purchase ledger, nominal ledger, and cash book.
What comes in sales ledger?
A personal account of credit customers.
What comes in purchase ledger?
Personal account of credit suppliers.
What comes in nominal ledger?
Everything else.
Assets, liabilities, expenses, and incomes.
Cash book, cash account, and bank account. So if I tell you name one ledger account which might be found in the nominal ledger. Give me one ledger account that may be found in the nominal ledger.
Bad debts.
Okay, bad debts. Anything else can you give me?
Purchase of machinery.
Okay. Purchase of machinery is not an account. Machinery is an account.
Machinery. Yeah.
Okay, what other account?
Dividends.
Okay, what other account can you give me?
Commission.
Commission. Okay, fine. Name other type of ledger which a business may maintain. So there is one ledger which they give you is a general ledger. What could be the other ledger which a business can maintain? How many types of ledgers do you have?
4.
4. What are the 4 ledgers?
Sales ledger, purchase ledger, nominal ledger, and
Cash book.
Cash book. So if one ledger is the nominal or general ledger, can you name other ledgers which a business maintains?
sales ledger and purchase ledger.
Sales
and
ledger,
cash book.
purchase ledger. Why
Oh, like that.
dividing the ledger into sections makes it easier to use? Why do you
Easy to find.
divide your ledgers into sections?
Easier to find the information.
Easier to find the information for the bookkeeper.
Easier for reference, work can be shared, there is division of labor. Okay, what are the different sections that you have in your ledger? What are the different sections that you have in your ledger? What are the different sections that you have in your ledger?
Miss, matlab?
What are 4 sections in your ledger?
Oh, sales ledger, purchase ledger, nominal ledger, cash book.
What comes in sales ledger?
The credit customers.
Personal account of your customers.
Personal account of credit customers.
That is, individual names would come. What comes in purchase ledger?
The personal account of credit suppliers.
What comes in nominal ledger?
Expenses like assets, liabilities, expenses, and incomes.
Sales account will come in which ledger?
Sales ledger. Oh, nominal ledger.
Okay. If A is your customer, his account will come in which ledger?
Sales ledger.
Sales ledger.
Okay. Purchase account will come in which ledger?
Nominal ledger.
Nominal ledger.
Cash account would come in which ledger?
Cash book.
Bad debts account would come in which ledger?
Nominal ledger.
Nominal. Nominal.
Yeah. Why do you divide your ledgers into sections? Why do you divide your ledger into sections?
Because it's easier to refer and work can be shared that way.
Work can be shared between several people. In how many sections do you divide your ledger?
4 sections.
What are the 4 sections?
Sales ledger, nominal ledger, purchase ledger, cash book.
Okay. What comes in sales ledger?
Personal
account of your credit customers.
What comes in purchase ledger?
Personal
account of credit suppliers.
What comes in nominal ledger?
Assets, liabilities, expenses, and income.
Can you give me accounting equation?
Capital liability is equal to assets.
Okay, what is an asset?
Asset is the
properties owned by the business, amount yet to be received.
Okay. State the financial statement in which you record your assets.
Balance sheet.
Statement of financial position.
Statement of financial position. Okay, come on, give me the names of ledger. Drawings will come in which ledger?
Nominal ledger.
Okay, sales will come in which ledger?
Nominal ledger.
Credit customer, which ledger?
Sales
ledger.
Credit supplier, which ledger?
Purchase.
Provision for depreciation of van, which ledger?
Nominal.
Okay, drawings have what balance in the trial balance?
Debit.
Sales?
Credit.
Sales credit.
Customer?
Credit customer.
Credit.
Customer means what? Customer means what?
Trade receivable, which is debit.
Trade receivable as an asset will be debit.
Supplier?
Supplier will be credit.
What is supplier also called?
Trade payable.
Or?
Liability. Debt. Creditor.
Provision for depreciation? What balance?
Depreciation always has a debit balance, no?
Provision for depreciation. All provisions always have a credit balance. All provisions always have a
Credit balance.
credit balance. Provision for doubtful debts.
Credit.
Credit. Which ledger?
General ledger.
General ledger. State why one reason why accounts are maintained in different ledgers.
So that it can be shared with
And
multiple.
so it's easier to refer and so it can be shared.
Among several people. What is meant by a trial balance?
Means easier to क्या था? Easier to refer to, ना?
Yeah. What is
Oh.
meant by a trial balance? Was answer.
Trial balance is the statement of account where you.
It is a statement. It is not a statement of account.
Okay.
It is
It
a
is a statement where you record assets, assets and liabilities.
which has balances of
Assets and liabilities.
accounts.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Why is the trial balance prepared? Why is a trial balance prepared? Why is a trial balance prepared? I made you all learn this 2 times.
To check the accuracy. To check the
Arithmetical
arithmetical accuracy of the book
double
of
entry.
entry.
Why is
Yeah.
trial balance prepared?
To
To check
check the
arithmetical
arithmetical accuracy of the double entry
accuracy.
bookkeeping system.
Okay, double entry bookkeeping system. If you are following, name the accounting principle.
A duality. What is
Duality.
duality?
Name the account which is open when a trial balance fails to agree.
Suspense.
Suspense.
Okay, what would be recorded in general journal?
Bad
Return.
written off.
Miss, return outwards would also be, na?
Return outward is what?
Oh, sales return. Sorry,
Sales
bad debt.
return which journal?
Sales return journal. It's bad debts only.
Bad debts written off. Okay, fine. It could also be written outwards. Okay, fine.